Welcome back. Today we're settling the debate, ICP versus Cardano. Both claim to be next-generation blockchains, but which one should you actually care about?
Two completely different philosophies. Cardano is an academic, peer-reviewed blockchain focused on DeFi. They've been around since 2017 and take a super cautious, slow approach. ICP launched in 2021 and wants to replace cloud computing entirely, hosting full applications on-chain at web speed.
Let's talk speed.
This is where it gets brutal for Cardano. Cardano processes about 0.45 transactions per second. That's not a typo. Less than 1 TPS. They peak around 11, 12 TPS with 21-second block times. Finality takes 2 minutes to a full day. ICP runs at actual internet speed. Queries return in milliseconds, updates finalize in 1-2 seconds. But here's the key. ICP isn't just processing transactions, it's hosting entire applications, serving web pages, running AI models all on-chain. Cardano dApps still need Amazon Web Services. ICP eliminates that completely.
What about costs?
Cardano charges gas fees around $0, 1 cent, but users still pay. ICP uses reverse gas where developers pay and end users pay nothing. 0 transaction fees ever.
Ecosystem size?
Cardano has 4.8 million wallets, 2,000 plus projects, $350 million, 0 cents in DeFi TVL. Sounds impressive until you compare it to Ethereum's $78 billion, 0 cents TVL. After 8 years, Cardano's TVL is less than 0.5% of Ethereum's. ICP's ecosystem is smaller, but revolutionary. Fully decentralized social media, AI models as smart contracts, the world's first fully on-chain, multi-chain wallet. These capabilities literally cannot exist on Cardano.
What about Cardano's scientific approach?
Here's the truth. Peer review is why they're so slow. Smart contracts took 6 years to launch. Their CEO literally calls Cardano boring as a badge of honor. Meanwhile, ICP ships Bitcoin integration, Ethereum integration, AI capabilities, without letting peer review become an excuse for stagnation.
Price performance.
Cardano hit $3.09 in 2021. Today it's around $0.47, down 85%. Predictions for 2025 maybe $0.80 to $1.20. ICP launch high and crush hard, but the question isn't past price, it's future utility. Which platform enables applications that can't exist anywhere else?
Development speed.
ICP launched May 2021, and since then, Bitcoin integration, Ethereum integration, Solana integration, AI capabilities. Cardano launched 2017, smart contracts finally came in 2021. 4 years later, their Hydra scaling is still mostly theoretical.
Bottom line?
If you're building another DeFi protocol and value academic credentials, Cardano works. But after 8 years, less than $400 million, 0 cents TVL shows the market isn't excited. ICP is architecturally superior. Want truly decentralized applications? ICP. Web speed performance? ICP. 0 user fees? ICP. Native Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana integration without bridges? ICP. Cardano is fighting to be a better version of what already exists. ICP is building what doesn't exist anywhere else.
So ICP wins?
Objectively, speed, ICP dominates. User experience, ICP wins with 0 fees. Unique capabilities, ICP has them, Cardano doesn't. Development velocity, ICP ships while Cardano deliberates. If I'm building the future of decentralized applications, I'm not choosing the blockchain that takes 4 years to ship smart contracts. I'm choosing the one that hosts everything on chain at web speed with no user fees. That's ICP, hands down.
Drop a comment. Team Cardano or Team ICP? Check out ICP. Like and subscribe. See you next time.